Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Kiwico Science Kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to spark a young child's curiosity and foster a love for learning through hands-on experimentation, offering a delightful blend of education and entertainment that makes complex scientific concepts accessible and fun for kids aged 5 to 8, ensuring they engage with STEM in a meaningful and memorable way. Number 5. Stomp Rocket Junior Glow Rocket Launcher. Get ready for exciting outdoor fun with the Junior Glow Rocket Launcher. You can take turns launching these amazing glow-in-the-dark rockets with friends and family, making memories day or night. Watch them fly. With just a stomp, these rockets can launch an incredible 100 feet into the air. Take them to the park, beach, or playground for some high-flying action. It's not just fun, it's learning too. Experiment with gravity and force as you send them soaring. This toy is a fantastic way to introduce STEM concepts through exciting play. This toy is completely powered by you. No batteries or cords are needed, just your stomps. It's built tough for active play with safe, soft foam rockets. Join kids around the world who have loved this toy for 30 years. It's the original way to have fun, be active, and learn with foam rockets. Everything you need is included to get started right away. You'll get 4 Junior Glow Stomp rockets, a launch stand, and a launch pad with an air hose. What we like? This toy offers active outdoor fun with a unique glow-in-the-dark feature for nighttime play. It launches rockets impressively high, providing a thrilling experience. If you're looking for a way to get kids moving and engaged outdoors, especially during evenings, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? The setup was straightforward and kid-friendly. It offers excellent value, with lightweight foam and plastic material that make it safe and easy for my son to play, catch, and enjoy without risk of injury. The vibrant colors are eye-catching, and it's perfect for children aged 3 to 7. It is super easy to put together, and I love that you can buy more rockets. It's all kid-powered, no batteries, no fuss, just stomp and watch the rocket soar. I love that it's so intuitive for little ones. My child figured it out immediately and had a blast experimenting with different stomping techniques to see how high the rockets could go. Another great feature is how lightweight and easy to transport the entire set is. The rockets are soft and safe for young children. Despite the frequent stomping, both the launcher and rockets have held up incredibly well, even after multiple high-energy play sessions. Number 4. National Geographic Science Magic Kit. Discover over 100 unique experiments and magic tricks that blend the wonders of science with the excitement of magic. You can bend metal with water, make a coin float, and so much more. Each experiment is designed to be performed as a magic trick. With the included magic wand and gloves, your child can truly become the magician. It's educational fun like never before. This kit provides all the necessary materials for 20 stunning science magic tricks. Amaze your friends and family by making snow appear, creating square bubbles, or becoming waterproof using physics and chemistry. Want even more science fun? We've included a bonus experiment guide with over 85 additional experiments. These can all be done using common household items, extending the learning and entertainment. From Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy of the Year award, this kit fosters education, imagination, and creativity. We also provide US support to ensure a stellar experience for you and your child. What we like? This kit brilliantly merges science with the excitement of magic, offering over 100 unique experiments and tricks. It even includes a magic wand and gloves to enhance the performance aspect. If your child loves magic shows and wants to learn the science behind them, this kit provides endless entertainment and educational value. What people say? The kit includes all the necessary materials and clear, step-by-step instructions, making it easy for kids to follow along and complete the experiments independently. The experiments are engaging and educational, covering a range of scientific concepts in a fun and interactive way. My child learned a lot about specific science concept through hands-on activities. The quality of the materials is excellent, with durable components that are safe for children to use. The finished projects are also well made and can be displayed or used for further play. Number 3. Original Stationery Unicorn Crystal Growing Kit. Embark on a magical journey with our Unicorn Crystal Growing Kit. This all-in-one set provides everything you need to create a dazzling unicorn-themed terrarium. Discover the wonders of science and creativity with this engaging kit. It guides children through a fun assembly process, blending learning with imaginative play. With ample space for artistic expression, this kit is perfectly sized for crafting. It's ideal for anyone who loves unicorns and science projects. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is perfect for sparking imagination and encouraging hands-on experimentation. It's a wonderful way to explore STEM and creativity. Everything you need is included for a complete crafting adventure. You'll have a blast creating your very own magical unicorn with shimmering crystals. What we like? This kit allows children to create a beautiful, magical unicorn-themed terrarium by growing their own crystals. It's a perfect blend of STEM learning and creative crafting. If your child is fascinated by unicorns, sparkly things, and enjoys hands-on artistic projects, this kit will provide a rewarding and visually stunning outcome. What people say? The kit includes all the necessary materials and clear instructions, making it easy for kids to follow along and complete the experiments independently. My child was engaged and excited throughout the whole process, learning about scientific concepts in a fun and interactive way. The experiments are well designed and cover a range of topics, providing a comprehensive introduction to science for young learners. Number 2. Kiwico Science Cooking Ice Cream Kit. Discover the coolest science experiments right in your kitchen. This kit lets you explore the chemistry behind making delicious ice cream and sorbet. Learn how to create your own homemade sorbet by exploring ice crystal formation. You'll discover how key ingredients come together to make creamy, dreamy ice cream. Understand the science behind freezing and why air is a crucial ingredient in ice cream. You'll also learn how stabilizers keep your desserts tasting great. Get creative and customize your own recipes, from chocolate cherry to fresh fruit flavors. The best part? You get to enjoy all of your delicious creations. For over a decade, we've been sparking innovation with engaging, hands-on kits. We know what kids love, and we're excited to share that with you. What we like? This kit makes learning about science incredibly delicious by focusing on the chemistry of making ice cream. Kids get to explore real-world science through hands-on recipes and enjoy the tasty results. If you have a child who loves sweets and is curious about how food is made, this kit offers a fun, edible, and educational experience. What people say? The kit includes all the necessary materials and clear instructions, making it easy for kids to follow along and complete the experiments independently. My child was engaged and excited throughout the entire process, learning about scientific concepts in a fun and interactive way. The experiments are well designed and cover a variety of scientific principles, providing a comprehensive learning experience for young minds. Number 1. Dan&Darci Dino Soap Making Kit. Are you fascinated by dinosaurs? Now you can create your very own dinosaur soaps to play and wash with. Imagine making a T-Rex, Styracosaurus, or Stegosaurus. Feel free to experiment with the included colors to make your soaps unique. You can even add glitter for an extra sparkle. Keep your creations for yourself and transform your bath or shower into a prehistoric party. You'll even learn cool dinosaur facts as you go. This kit comes with everything you need: soap bases, fragrances, colors, glitter, dinosaur molds, and all the tools for a complete DIY experience. It's rare for a science project to be both fun and educational, but this kit delivers. It's a perfect STEM activity that sparks curiosity and a love for science. This makes a fantastic gift for kids of all ages, providing hours of engaging fun. It's a great way to foster a love for science and paleontology. What we like? This kit turns bath time into an exciting science adventure by letting kids create their own dinosaur-shaped soaps. It's a fun way to engage with science and learn about paleontology. If your child is a dinosaur enthusiast and you're looking for a creative activity that also encourages good hygiene, this kit is a perfect fit. What people say? The kit includes all the necessary materials and clear, step-by-step instructions, making it easy for kids to follow along and complete the experiments independently. Each box offers a unique and engaging science project that sparks curiosity and encourages hands-on learning, covering a wide range of scientific concepts. The experiments are designed to be both educational and fun, with visually appealing results that keep children entertained and eager to learn more about science. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.